Swans, graceful and elegant, are a common sight in many water bodies around the world. With their long necks and distinctive black and white feathers, they are a familiar image in fairy tales and children's stories. But did you know that there's more to these beautiful creatures than meets the eye? Swans belong to the family Anatidae, which also includes ducks and geese. They are found in various parts of the world, including North America, Europe, and Asia. Swans are known for their beautiful songs, which are often associated with serenity and peace. The most common species of swan is the mute swan, which is native to Europe and Asia. It is the symbol of grace and beauty in many cultures and is often featured in art and literature. Another species, the trumpeter swan, is native to North America and is the largest species of swan. Swans are highly social birds and are usually found in pairs or in groups. They are omnivorous, feeding on a variety of plants, aquatic vegetation, and small animals. Swans are excellent swimmers and divers, and they can dive up to 20 feet deep for food. One of the most interesting facts about swans is their mating behavior. Swans are monogamous birds, and they often mate for life. When a swan pair mates, they perform a beautiful ritual known as the swan dance. The two swans intertwine their necks and dance around in a circle, which is believed to strengthen their bond and symbolize their love for each other. Swans are also known for their protective nature. Swans are territorial birds and will fiercely defend their nesting grounds from intruders. They are also known to attack humans who come too close to their nests. Swan feathers have been used for many purposes throughout history. They have been used to make quills for writing, as well as in art and fashion. Swan down is also used in the production of bedding and clothing due to its softness and warmth. Swans have also played an important role in mythology and folklore. In Greek mythology, the swan is associated with Apollo, the god of music and prophecy. In Norse mythology, the swan is associated with Odin, the god of wisdom. In Christian tradition, the swan is associated with the Holy Spirit. In modern times, swans continue to be a symbol of beauty, grace, and elegance. They are protected by many wildlife conservation organizations, and efforts are being made to preserve their habitats and populations. So the next time you see a swan gliding gracefully across a lake or pond, take a moment to appreciate these magnificent creatures and the beauty they bring to our world.